Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord stuck on Verifine. So first thing first, this could be two things. Either the app's fault or simply your detail fault. If you have entered information for verification, make sure the information is correct. That could be the reason you are not receiving any codes. For example, if you have entered email or phone number, make sure that is correct. Second, if it's a technical fault, here are the steps that you should follow to fix it. First of all, head over to your Play Store, search for Discord. We have to make sure we are using the latest version of it. If you see update like mine, immediately select update and update your app. Next, head over to your settings. We have to clear the cache. So scroll all the way below, select apps. In here, also search for Discord and open it. Now go for storage, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. So delete data, delete, and then come back onto App Info page. In here, select Force Stop, and then OK. Now go ahead, restart the device, launch your Discord, and this will fix the problem.